Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove a text from a video just by using CapCut on your PC. So here we're now on CapCut and I'm just going to import my video in my cloud. Let's drag the video to our timeline. And as you can see, we have an existing text in our video. Today, we want to remove this text. So first, just click on the video on our timeline. Then simply just click on Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V. So that's how we can easily duplicate our video. Next is let's go on mask. So from here, let's click on add mask. So we're going to use this rectangle mask. Then let's adjust the mask according to the size of our text. So from here, let's just drag the mask to the nearest color so we can easily hide our text. Then once done, let's just go to basic. From here, let's just drag our mask to completely cover our text. You can see that our text is no longer present on our video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily remove text from your videos on your CapCut PC. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!